Hey everyone, it's Emily from Life Sew Savory, and let's sew a super simple shirt placket. Cut your fabric 1 inch longer than you want the shirt placket to be. My plackets are 7 inches long and my finished placket will be 6 inches. They are also 2 inches wide and I've cut 2 of them. They are interfaced half of the width. So my interfacing is 1 inch wide and it is fused to the fabric on the wrong side. You are going to iron them in half with the right side facing outward like I'm showing here. Then you're going to cut a slit down the front of your shirt as far as you want. Mine is 6 inches because my placket is cut 7 inches, which is 1 inch longer than the slit down the front of my shirt. You're going to pin or clip this on one side of your shirt, making sure that the interfaced side is down towards your shirt and that it is extending down 1 inch past where you cut on your shirt. If it helps to sew, you can fold over the other side of the shirt as you're sewing. Sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance down along that side. See how we have it right along there. Then you're going to fold over that to see it. That's the side of the placket, how it's going to be. Fold that side over, and then we're going to repeat on the other side of the shirt. This is so simple, and it comes together so quickly. Place the other side of the placket on the other side of the shirt, put your pins or clips, and sew again with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now we have both sides of the placket sewn on the right side of the shirt. Turn the shirt over so you are looking at the wrong side of the shirt and clip down in a V shape where you sewed. So you should sew 1/2 inch past the bottom of the slit. Okay, so you're sewing down and then we sewed 1/2 inch past. And now we're going to create a little V shape past the end. And now we have that V extending past right there. And then we're going to pull the plackets from the front side through to the back side. We have the little tails that extend down past where we have sewed. And then you're just going to stack those plackets on top of each other so that they lay nicely. It takes a little bit of arrangement, not too bad. And sometimes I'll put a little clip at the top to hold it all together as I flip it over. So then when you get to the front side, again, it takes a little bit of arranging to make sure that they are stacked nicely. You can clip it while you're playing around with it, but make sure that bottom lays nicely. And again, there you have your placket. You're going to top stitch around that placket on the shirt fabric so it all lays nicely. But there you have it, a super simple, easy placket. You can add a little V shape or an X at the bottom of the placket to hold those extra tails of fabric, or trim them as you want. Add buttons or snaps as I'm doing to finish the placket. Then sew the rest of the shirt as directed. I've got a tutorial for all these shirts or lots of free shirt sewing patterns if you're looking for a shirt to sew this up. But I'm using snaps. It's simple, it's easy, and I love the way that it turns out. It's pretty much foolproof and it looks great every time. So if you've never sewed a placket, this is a great way to jump into adding something special to your t-shirts and getting great results with minimal effort. So try it out, sew a shirt placket, and let me know what you think.